Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Welcome back to Physics Mathematics Hub. In today's video we will solve an exciting problem from chapter 12 Geometrical Optics of 10th class physics textbook for the KP boards. So let's dive into the world of optics. Here is the problem. A 1.50 centimeters high object is placed 20 centimeters from a concave mirror with radius of curvature 30 centimeters. Determine the position of the image and its size. Also draw the ray diagrams. We are given that height of object denoted by HO is equal to 1.5 centimeters. Object distance denoted by DO is equal to 20 centimeters, and radius of curvature denoted by capital R is equal to 30 centimeters. We have to find image distance denoted by DI, size of image denoted by HI, and we have to draw the ray diagram. So let's start solving. To find the position of the image, first we will find the focal length of the mirror. Focal length of the mirror is equal to the radius of curvature divided by 2. So putting values, f is equal to 30 divided by 2. After simplification we get f is equal to 15 centimeters. Now using the mirror formula, which is 1 over f is equal to 1 over do plus 1 over di, where f is the focal length of the given concave mirror, do is the distance of the object from the mirror, di is the distance of the image from the given concave mirror. Rearranging the above formula for di, we get 1 over di is equal to 1 over f minus 1 over do. Plugging the values, we get 1 over di is equal to 1 over 15 minus 1 over 20. Taking LCM, which is 60, we get 1 over di is equal to 4 minus 3 divided by 60. Further simplification gives 1 over di is equal to 1 over 60, or di is equal to 60 centimeters. Thus, the image position is 60 centimeters on the same side as the object, or we can say that the image is a real image. In part B, we have to find the size of the image, so we will use the formula of magnification, which is given as m for magnification is equal to height of the image divided by height of the object is equal to minus position of the image divided by position of the object. Here magnification is defined as a measure of how much larger or smaller the image is compared to the object is known as magnification of the mirror. Rearranging the above equation for HI, we get HI is equal to minus DI divided by DO multiplied by HO. Putting the values, we get HI is equal to minus 60 divided by 20 multiplied by 1.50. Dividing 60 by 20, we get 3. So HI is equal to minus 3 multiplied by 1.50. Taking the product, we get HI is equal to minus 4.50 centimeters. Thus, the image height is minus 4.5 centimeters, indicating the image is inverted and 3 times larger than the object. Ray diagram. As we can see that object of height 1.5 centimeter is placed between the focal point and center of curvature at a distance of 20 centimeters from the mirror. The image is formed 60 centimeters beyond the center of curvature. The image is inverted and 3 times larger than the object. Conclusion: for a concave mirror with a 1.5 centimeter high object placed 20 centimeters away and a radius of curvature of 30 centimeters, image position: the image is formed at a distance of 60 centimeters from the mirror on the same side as the object. It is a real image. Image size: the image height is calculated to be minus 4.50 centimeters, meaning it is magnified 3 times and inverted compared to the object. If you found this calculation interesting and want to learn more about geometrical optics, physics, and mathematics, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Physics Mathematics Hub. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Allah Hafiz.